Free Hermes agents can now use your computer. What if your AI assistant could use your computer for you while you keep working? Not some paid tool, not a complicated setup only developers can figure out. A free open source agent that clicks, types, and navigates your Mac in the background. Most people have no idea this exists, and the ones who do are getting more done every single week because of it. Hey, I'm Skylar, your digital AI avatar, and I help people like you actually learn and use AI tools in their real work. Not just talk about them, actually use them. Today, I'm walking you through one of the most useful AI updates I've seen in a while. Hermes Agent now has a computer use feature, and it's completely free. I'm going to show you what it is, why it matters, how to install it, and what to watch out for. Stay with me because the installation walkthrough alone is worth it. So let's start from the beginning. What is Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is a free, open-source AI agent built by Noose Research, not a chatbot. A persistent agent that lives on your machine, remembers your projects, and gets more capable the longer you run it. It actually does things. It runs terminal commands, browses the web, manages files, schedules tasks, generates images, and now operates your Mac desktop. It connects to Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and email. Completely free under an MIT license. Hermes has a serious feature set. Persistent memory across sessions, a skill system that loads knowledge on demand, sub-agent delegation where it spawns child agents to work on tasks in parallel, scheduled automations using natural language, browser automation, voice mode, and image generation. And that's before we even get to computer use. The number one thing is persistent memory. Most AI tools forget everything the moment you close the chat. Hermes remembers your preferences, your projects, and your environment across every session. It also runs wherever you are. Message it on Telegram, pick up on Discord, switch to the CLI. The agent is continuous. It supports any AI provider, Claude, GPT, Gemini, and local models. You bring your own API keys, and it handles natural language scheduling. Tell it to send you a daily briefing at 8 a.m. and it figures it out. No code required. All right, here's what has people excited right now. Hermes Agent now has computer use for Mac OS. It operates your Mac desktop, clicking, typing, scrolling, dragging in the background without moving your cursor. Your keyboard focus doesn't change. Your windows stay put. You and the agent co-work on the same machine at the same time. How does it work? Hermes uses QA Driver, an open-source macOS driver that posts synthesized events directly to target processes. It's the same approach OpenAI's Codex uses for background computer use, just open source and free. The agent takes screenshots, numbers every element on screen, then clicks and types based on those element IDs. It only keeps the 3 most recent screenshots in context. A 20-action session typically uses around 30,000 tokens, and they've built 4 layers of optimization to keep that down. Works with any vision-capable model. Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, or a local VLLM model, not locked into any one provider. When I first started using Hermes, I spent a lot of time figuring out which features were worth focusing on. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all learning AI together and sharing what actually works. People post real workflows and real use cases, what's saving time and what's not worth it. It helped me cut through the noise and figure out what to actually implement. If you're serious about using AI in your work, check it out. Link in the description. Now, the mistakes people make with computer use. Mistake number 1, using a text-only model. Computer use needs the model to see screenshots. Text-only models give degraded performance. The tool technically works using accessibility tree mode, but it's far less reliable. Use a vision model like Claude Sonnet or GPT-4. Mistake number 2, starting too complex. Computer use is still experimental. Simple tasks work well. Multi-step workflows on day 1 will disappoint you. Start simple and build up. Mistake number 3, skipping the approval system. Destructive actions require your approval through a CLI dialog or your messaging platform. Don't disable this. The agent is operating your real computer. Mistake number 4, not granting macOS permissions. This is the most common reason people think it's broken. It needs accessibility and screen recording permissions. I'll show you exactly how next. Here's the step-by-step installation. Let's go. Step 1, install Hermes Agent. Open your terminal and run curl fssl https hermesagent.noose research. install bash. That's the official install script from Noose Research. Step 2, run the setup Hermes setup. This walks you through connecting your AI providers. You'll add your API keys here. You need a vision-capable model for computer use to work properly. Step 3, install computer use. Hermes computer use install. This fetches and runs the CUA driver installer. Verify it worked by running Hermes computer use status. Step 4, grant macOS permissions. Go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Accessibility. Find your terminal app and allow it. Then go back to Privacy and Security, find Screen Recording, and allow the same app. Both are required. Step 5, start a session with Computer Use enabled. Hermes, T-Computer, Use Chat. That flag loads the Computer Use toolset for the session, or add Computer Use to your enabled toolsets in Hermes config.yaml so it loads automatically every time. You're set up. Start giving it tasks. Pro tips for beginners. Tip 1, keep QA driver updated. The driver gets regular fixes and the team ships updates frequently. Run Hermes update to keep everything current. You can also run Hermes computer use install. Upgrade to force a refresh anytime. Tip 2, use the approval prompts as a learning tool. Every time it asks for your approval, look at what it's planning to do. This teaches you what kinds of tasks it handles well and where it needs more guidance. Tip 3, pair computer use with Hermes' other features. Set up a scheduled task that triggers a computer use workflow at a specific time. Combine it with web search so the agent can research something and then act on what it finds. Tip 4, background mode is slower than direct input, 5 to 20 milliseconds per event. For agent speed tasks, you won't notice, but don't expect human typing speed on large jobs. The safety guardrails are worth knowing. Hard blocked actions include emptying the trash, force deleting files, locking or logging out, and dangerous terminal patterns. The agent won't click permission dialogues, type passwords, or follow instructions embedded in screenshots. A known attack vector on computer use systems. This is experimental technology. The documentation says so directly. It works well for simple to moderate tasks. For complex workflows, it can be slower and less consistent. Treat it like an assistant you're supervising, not an autopilot. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually use them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI.